So hi folks, fans of ExiArts channel on YouTube, and of course fans of ExiArts overall online, and especially people who love crafts and artsy stuff. My name is Christo. Those of you who don't know me, I am a craftsman and an artist from Bulgaria, and I almost refined and finished this new kind of line of albums that I'm making. This design is gonna be released on my website in the next 2 days. I'm gonna start posting some new fresh products on the website, on ExiArts website, and this picture album, hard-covered and wrapped with natural linen fabric, has title labels on the front and of course on the side, on the spine part of the book. These are Tintoretto cardstock Italian watercolor paper, special one. I use this one for my arts. I draw my color pencil arts on such paper, and I also use it for my titles, labels, and for hang tags and other things when I coffee dye it with homemade coffee, of course. The inside pages of this album, as you can see, it has space for the future to grow when you put your pictures on the pages. You can see each page is unique. This is also the Italian watercolor paper. I told you, the same one like the title labels. And of course, inside we have also pockets, fabric, linen fabric pockets. The binding is loose enough. This is refillable binding. Actually, this is a refillable album. It's intentionally loose in order for you to easily open each page, to have space for opening, and to be, you know, comfortable enough for using this amazing I love the end result. Amazing combination with the fabric, with the Italian paper and the coffee staining. Also, I think this turquoise blue bookmark fits somehow the overall kind of rustic look. Anyway, you can choose, of course. All my crafts are customized, personalized. And you can choose another color for this thing. And this new album, I have a couple of new album designs I'm gonna show you in the next days, of course. Today is a good light outside in this cold winter, good light for making some nice lighted video. I think the video quality is now good. Because when it's a darker days, I cannot make such a beautiful video. Anyway, this is overall for this album. You can use it also for writing. This is 250 square meter watercolor cardstock, which is 105 lbs thickness. And of course, at the back you have my logos, ExiArts, Echo, and my signature. I have missed to put my Handmade sticker here. I will have to put one, of course. I made a photo session of this photo album, and it's gonna be listed in the next 2 days on my website with different sizes for customization, and probably different page number also. I'm gonna have a couple of options. Thank you for watching, folks. If you like this video, if you like this new design of a handmade picture album or handmade travel sketchbook or whatever, you can use it for a couple of things. If you like it, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends, and of course comment below what you think. And please see my previous video, which is the giveaway video. Go there, comment in the video and tag a friend, and you will be eligible to play in my giveaway. Thank you for watching, folks. Thanks for your support on YouTube and everywhere else online. See you in my next video, and bye bye, folks.